Morning. I went out for a beer last night and the bar ran out of beer. So I ended up drinking double spices and Coke. I only have today to work on the transit, so please know this, I'm doing this for you. I've got a breathalyzer, so as long as we're in the green, then we'll go and work on the truck. Yay, we're green.
Right, we're back. Another day. We're going to make some more progress today. I'm just going to get on with it. Look at this. So that's the back. Stripped back to metal. Yeah, there's a little bit of pit in there, but that'll be okay. Someone said in the comments about using a scalpel on the windows to get the overspray, so I've got the scalpel and we're going to try and get all this off. Look at that. Got a couple of layers of primer on the Spec, so that's looking a lot tidier now. As you can see, it's still I mean, it's never going to be perfect, is it? But it's certainly looking better, and it's almost ready now for its layer of bright red paint. So that's the plan for how that's going to go. The glass is now absolutely crystal clear, so thanks very much for the tip on that. Yeah, another day of progress, we're getting there. I want to get this back bit done and then obviously get down to the paint. I had a quick go with the orbital on here just to test it really. It is obviously getting it off, but the paint underneath seems to be pretty badly damaged, so it's going to go back to bare metal. And then, yeah, progress. So yeah, she's coming together. I cannot wait to drive this. Just driving it out of the yard then, driving it out of the unit then, class. The carb's running really well, seems to be set up pretty well at the minute, so obviously it needs fine tuning, but yeah, it's coming together nicely. So but yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching. Love having you along, and I'll keep the updates coming. Cheers.